Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. The last 3 days it was raining and it is pretty cold in Delhi as well. You know that continuous low temperature in winter season hamper the plant's growth. In our organic garden, while growing fresh fruits and flowers, we also grow some of the vegetables. And with all these vegetables in our garden, it fulfills our family's needs. In our garden, we grow a lot of vegetables such as brinjal, tomato, beans, pea, radish, carrot, spinach, methi, pumpkin, drumsticks, etc. With growing all these fruits, vegetables and flowers, my mom also has kept medicinal plants in our garden. The most important medicinal plant of that is the aloe vera. If you are growing aloe vera plant, you all know that aloe vera plant is very easy to grow. It is a less maintenance plant. And it also gives us so many benefits from it. Do you know that aloe vera plant allows us to create various varieties of skincare products? But in turn, this plant not only takes advantage of its leaf, in which aloe is extracted, but it also has a flora, which is called aloe vera flower, and it has a variety of uses. Aloe vera flower are also used to fight with immune and digestive problems. This aloe vera flower is also an ingredient in many recipes, such as some drinks, salads, or even desserts. I have uploaded many videos about how to create pesticides, insecticides, or fertilizers from aloe vera. Have also uploaded many videos on how to make hair mask, hair oil, etc. Today I will tell you how you can make tea from aloe vera flower. Aloe vera tea is the most beneficial tea that exists. To make this tea, you must first boil some water. This tea offers immunological benefits and digestives for the body. Next, you must put some flowers in it. After letting the water boil, turn off the stove. Cover it with a lid and let it rest for 5 minutes. Now your healthy tea is ready. It has a smooth and sweet flavor obtained from the aloe vera flower that allows to unite the tea. You can also add other ingredients such as cinnamon or lemon. You can also add honey for the sweetness of the taste. I hope this video will be helpful for you and you will surely plant the aloe vera plant in your garden. I hope you can also obtain the great benefits of the aloe vera plant. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.